and welcome back to my channel. So today is just gonna show my college moving process. I did it over a couple days. I moved everything in yesterday. That was Saturday. Today's Sunday, August 4th. So today's like my official, so I had to like get everything out of my other apartment by today and check out. So I didn't unpack everything, so I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me putting my stuff together. So if you want to see my moving process, then keep on watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get into the video. So this is empty. Bed. Oh, I got two dressers. Okay, cool. This is the bathroom. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Okay. This is the closet. So I get two closets. Bed. Well, so that is what it looks like empty. Yeah. I got to clean. Oh, I gotta go to Walmart and grab some cleaning supplies because I don't have everything I need. And I wasn't planning on being able to move in this early because I'm supposed to move in on Sunday, but it's Tuesday. But I'm not gonna move anything tonight because it's like 9 at night. So I'll probably, after work tomorrow, I'll probably just clean up the place and then have orientation Thursday and Friday, so I probably won't move anything till Saturday or Sunday. But it was nice that I was able to get my key today because of the fact that I'll be working orientation, so it's gonna be a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Walmart. So it's hot. It is Friday, August 2nd, and I have until the 4th to move in. So I'm taking some of my stuff. My little itty bitty car is full. Luckily, I only gotta go up the street to another building, so that's good. So I'm gonna take a couple trips. But yeah, so. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap. I just got done working orientation. I got some stuff, not a lot. I was gonna put some clothes away, but I realized that tote was full of winter clothes, so I'm just gonna leave those there. But other than that, I'm done for tonight, and I'll be back tomorrow to move more stuff in. So I went and got a little cart thingy from Walmart from a bathroom. I have no storage in there, so I'm put that together, and I made some progress. So I'll give a little overview of that. Here's the one closet with some towels and shoes. I went and got another bath rug. Clothes in here. This is what my bedroom's looking like. Put some stuff away. Have one free tote. EA progress. So yeah, got some empty boxes, and then the living room's still a hot mess. But that's what I got. So I'm gonna try to put this cart together. I guess I'll time lapse it. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep working. So it probably looked like I was only working on that bath little cart thingy for like 30 seconds, but it's been literally been like 25 minutes and it's not working. It's literal witchcraft. Like, I don't know who. I literally put it all together and then I tried to put the wheels on and it fell apart. Like, I'm really thinking about returning it because literal witchcraft. Like, I don't know who invented this, but it's not working. So I'm gonna give it a break. So this, don't buy it. It needs like screws or something. I don't know how they do it. Like, I followed the instructions and it's not working. So it's gonna stay right here because I'm frustrated. So I know there was like really no closing to the end of this moving vlog, but that is the end. It was kind of hard, a lot harder than I thought. Kind of really vlog like that to do a moving vlog, just because it's just like you're preoccupied with actually like moving stuff and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see a dorm room tour, comment down below and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.